Hello everyone. So, I'm about to give you all a workflow automation tutorial in which I'll show you how you can easily automate your workflows using N8N, Zapier, and Make.com. For this automation tutorial, I've used N8N because it allows for a lot of customization. It's easy to connect APIs here, and it's very user-friendly, even for non-technical people. So, in our workflow, we'll be doing LinkedIn automation, where our post will be automatically published on LinkedIn. We'll create a tutorial on this. So, to add the very first step here, you need to click here, and from here, we'll select On-Form Submission. What On-Form Submission means is that we specify which points on the backend should trigger it. So here, we'll specify that this form is the one we're creating for the post title. Its description is Test Element. We only need the post title inside it, that's it. If I execute it and show you, it'll be something like that, where you'll have the post title and you can play around with it. Alright, I'll stop listening now. Right now, we're not running it, we're putting it aside for now. So first, my formation is done. After that, I'll connect here, I'll add the AI agent here, okay? My connect to chat triggers comes here. We have different options, so we've selected chat trigger. If we want, we can check it by executing it as well, so it's working. Now here, in the chat model, we will use it. OpenAI, the OpenAI chat model, and here it will ask us to enter our OpenAI credentials. So let me add it before we move on. To add credentials, you have to click here, then click on New Credential here, and here you need to enter your API key. So, give me a moment, I'll get my API key and add it here. This is my API key, I've saved it here. Credentials saved successfully. Let's close this, and now let's execute the previous note and see. When you run it, it will tell us what we need to do. I'll explain this further to you later. So, what have we done? We've submitted a form, added an AI agent in between, put OpenAI inside it. Here, you can also add memory, tools, it's completely up to you how you want to use AI and how you're going to use it. Now here, what I'll do is, the form submission I received here, I'll take the post that was created from it and post it on LinkedIn. So, as soon as you select LinkedIn here, you'll get the Create a Post action. When the Create a Post action appears, you need to enter the details here. Now here, you need to create new credentials. When you enter new credentials, it asks you to connect to your account. So, as soon as I click Connect to my account, it will take me to my LinkedIn. Here, I'll enter my password and sign in. Now it's asking me to allow access from N8N, so I said yes, allow it, and it allowed it. The creation was completed successfully. Alright, so now it explicitly states that in precisely 5 seconds, it will automatically revert to the previous screen, which means our essential credentials have also been successfully added and securely integrated. Consequently, our comprehensive LinkedIn integration is now fully set up and operational. Here, the system is meticulously prompting us to specify exactly what actions we wish to undertake, specifically, which particular persons or profiles to carefully select, whether to implement courses as a primary function, what precise content to include in the text fields, whether to utilize exact text matching, and to ensure that the previous note, whatever process or task was actively running previously, should seamlessly continue its execution accordingly. So, with that in mind, let's proceed to go back to the main interface. Now, allow me to execute it just once and thoroughly demonstrate to you precisely how this entire process functions and operates. Therefore, let's initiate the run. However, at this specific juncture, I have a strong desire to meticulously format my output a bit more effectively, especially the information that is being generated and received from the AI. So, please grant me approximately 2 minutes of your time. I will proceed to add another specialized tool here specifically for the purpose of comprehensive formatting, to meticulously format the entire output that is consistently coming from the AI. In this particular section, we are provided with the capability to give it extensive detailing if you genuinely wish to meticulously format your AI-generated output to meet specific aesthetic or structural requirements. But for the time being, I will refrain from adding it immediately. I will simply show you how it works in a straightforward and easy manner without additional complexities. So, let's proceed to close this current window. We will then proceed to execute the entire process. As soon as we initiate the execution, it will promptly open the designated form for us to input our data. Alright, here I will carefully type in the phrase AI agent role in 2025 as our query. I then proceed to submit it. Now, as soon as I complete the submission, it will automatically trigger and activate my other interconnected agents to begin their respective tasks. Currently, it has successfully run my agent. I am deliberately showing you the various errors as they naturally arise and present themselves so that all of you can gain a clear understanding of what specific issues are occurring, what functionalities are not working as intended, what types of answers are being generated or not being generated, and the underlying reasons why these particular answers are appearing in the first place. In this instance, the incorrect name was inadvertently selected because the intended person should have been Mohammed Waseem. Additionally, allow me to inform you of a couple more crucial things. You absolutely need to ensure that you turn off organizational support because you are not performing this action on a company page, but rather on a personal or individual capacity. If you do this on a company page, then we'll have to create community credentials, these ones. Alright, for that, I'll make a first video to show you how it's done. I'll close this now. Here, our credentials are set up, we've done it here, and we'll close this. Let's execute it now to see if it's working or not. So, it's saying your request is invalid, cannot process by service. So, it's saying your request is invalid and can't be processed. Let me fix it. As we fix and work through the workflow, let's run it again. So, let me execute it now. First of all, I write here, how are agents changing the way we work? Alright, I've submitted it, I'll submit this as well. Now, the sophisticated and intelligent AI agent has successfully navigated its way to its own dedicated API model, establishing a seamless and efficient connection. Following this crucial interaction, it has meticulously processed the information and transmitted it to the necessary systems, ensuring that my post has been meticulously and properly made, adhering to all required specifications and formatting guidelines. Subsequently, I will proceed to my LinkedIn profile, where I will perform a refresh of the page. This action is undertaken with the expectation that whatever content I had previously uploaded, including the newly created post, should now prominently appear within my feed or on my profile. Here, you can observe the direct link that leads to the recently published content, and indeed, here is our complete and finalized post, now visible for all to see and engage with.